In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door closing mechanism on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new door closing mechanism, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This repair can be done without removing the fridge door. All you need to do is open the fridge door and slightly open the freezer door to give you access to the screws on the mechanism. However, for video purposes, we're going to remove the door to give you a better visual. Now, on the bottom of the door, remove the 2 screws using a 1/4 inch nut driver, followed by the closing mechanism. When shopping for a new door closing mechanism, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This part is site specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct one. To reinstall the closing mechanism, align it to the door and reinstall the 2 screws. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.